Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, say the cost price of the article say 100 rupees. Friends, here the salesman initially marked up his article 50% above the cost price. So then the marked price will be 150. 150. Friends, now the salesman, in order to boost the sales of his articles, he increased the market price. He increased the market price by 60%. Then new market price will be, then the new market price will be 60% increased. 60% of 150 means 15 6 90. 90 plus 150, 240. So this is the new market price. And he designed a scheme like this. When a buyer purchases 5 articles, he gives 3 articles free. So for every purchase of 5 articles, he used to give 3 articles free. Then what will be the discount percent? Then what will be the discount percent? It means for every 8 articles, he gives 3 articles free. So 3 by 8 discount is equal to 3 by 8 of the market price. 3 by 8 of the market price. So now the discount is equal to 240 into 3 by 8. 3 by 8, 30 is 33 is 90. Now the discount is 90. So now the selling price is equal to market price minus discount. Market price minus discount, that is equal to 150 rupees, friends. So his profit percent is equal to cost price 100, market price 150. So profit percent is equal to 50%, friends. Thank you.